Friends, open PicsArt app, tap on this plus icon and tap on edit a photo and select the background. Then this is the background. You have to add the model image. Go to add photo and select the model image. Then this is the first model image. Go to blend and tap on screen. Now arrange this model image in this portion like this. Perfect. Now tap on this eraser. Tap on this eraser. Now erase these portions like this. And on the top. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Now I have to select the second model image. Second model image. Again go to blend. Tap on screen. Now arrange this model image in this portion like this. Now tap on this eraser. Erase these unwanted parts first. Now erase on the bottom portion. Top. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step you have to add the PNGs. Go to add photo. First I am going to arrange this Instagram logo one here and tap on screen, tap on duplicate and arrange another Instagram logo here. Perfect. Now arrange these arrows here, tap on duplicate and arrange another one in this portion. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step we have to write the model names. This is the font Sheeping Cats and I will give this font link in the description. Now select the color, tap on red color and arrange this name in this portion. Perfect. Now again tap on text and write the model. And now select the color and tap on black color and you have to arrange this like this. You have to arrange in this portion. Now tap on tick mark. The next step you have to add the frame. Go to add photo. This is the frame. Simply zoom out, arrange like this. Now tap on tick mark. Perfect. The final touch up you have to go to tools and give the final touch up. Go to adjust, give little contrast, clarity little bit, saturation little bit. And finally our special creative
over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for. All